It's Tony Rigatoni, and today we're making a sweet potato gnocchi in a caramelized mushroom and shallot cream sauce. Huh? My Italian grandmother might roll over in her grave for adding sweet potatoes to gnocchi, but, you know, they did it first, we made it better. Ah!
Oh, I am here. I don't roll over to my grave.
Nona, you're here. Oh my God. It's a pleasure to cook with you. May you continue to rest in peace once you return to the graveyard.
I want the people to know that before the cemetery closes at 6 p.m. that I am Anna Rigatoni, and I am Italian, and I have never made a sweet potato gnocchi in my entire life because gnocchi has only ever been made with potatoes, not sweet potatoes, Madonna. May he forgive me, please. Sweet potato gnocchi? Are you crazy? You might as well tell the Roman Empire that they sacrifice for nothing, making a gnocchi with sweet potatoes. Oh, Madonna. All that being said, I'm very excited to try this new tradition of sweet potato gnocchi. My grandson Tony is so talented.
You talking to Nona?
Huh?
You know she's been dead for years, right?
Listen, Ma, you're not supposed to deny spirits when they're in your house, all right?
Dr. Carmichael said not to deny the imaginary friends. So, hello, Nona. Can't believe I'm speaking to my dead mother.
Plus, it's the last week of fall before Halloween. So make room, Ma, make room. I'm backing away, okay? I'm backing away. I'm backing away.
I always wanted to be a star. This is my chance to be a star. And I tossed the gnocchi and I oh! They don't tell you when you die that as a ghost you are very light. I am only 4 kilograms.
Hey, this is Cooking with Tony Rigatoni. Yeah, I know, I'm a joke, but the food, it's for real. Come on, let's watch. Hey, Nona doesn't know how my show works, so like she said, let's get started on that sweet potato gnocchi.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a sweet potato, you cut it in half because it's too big to fit in the pot. You gotta boil the water. Once the water's boiled, you wanna test there's no resistance with the knife, all right? Now look at that beautiful sweet potato. Then you're gonna take some shallots and take the skin off. I thought, you know, I spent some time prepping the shallots to show you what I did. Right, take the back of that knife. This Japanese knife has a really sharp bolster, what it's called. Then you're gonna chop that up real nice, like nice and fine. You get it, you get it. These are mushrooms. Just use wild mushrooms. That's hachimeji, porcini, white trumpet, and I think small baby bellas. I cut those up. Those are the hachimeji mushrooms, okay? You want a nice variety. Nice variety is going to give you some flavor. Then you want to saute the mushrooms. Make sure they are nice and full of color, all right? You got to do this on high heat. Once again, you can find all these recipes at www.tonyrigatoni.com.
Hello, Mom. How are you?
Okay.
Thank you for all the lashings I got as a kid.
Also, I cannot eat any gnocchi because it will just fall to the floor.
And then you're going to finish sauteing your mushrooms and set those aside. In a separate bowl, you're going to combine 1.5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons whole milk ricotta, 2 tablespoons golden packed brown sugar, and 1/2 tablespoon salt, plus about 1/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. All right? You reserve the other 1/4 cup for top of the gnocchi garnish when you plate it. What I'm doing here is I'm actually making my dough ball. All right, I'm just working it in, trying to get it to a ball form. When I get the ball to form, what I'm going to be doing is I just slice a little bit off and I'm going to roll it until I can get little gnocchis is what we call them. All right, so I got a bench scraper here. Make sure you put some flour on it and a little chop, 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 choppy. That's it. And if you want to do it something a little bit more fancy, you take a fork and push the gnocchi right on the fork, and that actually puts grooves in the side of the dumpling so the sauce will catch. Now I'm going to be boiling my water because I want my dumplings to float. Gnocchi is technically a dumpling because it's not made with egg. And now I'm going to saute my shallots. Add some butter. Once the butter browns, I'm going to add my gnocchi because that ensures that the gnocchi won't stick to the pan. Toss in my mushrooms there. I'm going to add my cream. Flip that a couple more times, and then I'm going to finish it with some fresh parsley from my garden because that is how I roll, folks. All right, look at this, plating it up, forget about it. This is literally, November is upon us. All right, have a good Halloween, everybody. Enjoy. Look at this beautiful sweet potato gnocchi. Eat, drink, and be scary, you guys. This is it. Oh my God, this is incredible. I can't. Oh my God, this is a great dish you can make for your vegetarian friends. Have you found value in this or you like what I do? Please like or subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Cooking with Tony Rigatoni. Cheers.
I go back to the underworld now. Ciao, 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 ciao.